all my friends, this is Willie. I want you to all know one thing. I haven't forgot any of it. I'm thinking about you all the time I was gone. Those that love me, and them that don't love me. But I have never forgotten those who were good to me and those who were bad. To the little ones, to the young ones, to those who are not born yet. To listen to me. And you ladies and gentlemen that's got these young babies and young children, it's coming up in this world. Teach them to love each other. Love each other. Not fight. Lord Jesus, don't fight because of the color of the breed. Because you got to remember one thing, you're a breed yourself. God made us all here to breathe this air. Those that have got good air, don't be like me, I have to have air. But I kept it going because I wanted to come back and talk to you. Let you know how much I loved you and think about you. My friends, like I say again, excuse me for crying, but everybody's got a business here in Ocean Beach. I've been inside their business. I know their children. I know their friends. I know that them don't think I know. That I prayed for them, understood them, joked with them and played and drank and even smoked a little wink every now and then. But I kept it to myself because I wanted you to know that I love you. I never turned my back against you. Those that stole from me, those that lied to me, those that I lied to too every now and then to try to get away. But I knew good and well that I was going to get caught. But I want you to know this. I ain't never forgot you. Ever. In the hospital, I was in the hospital. I was thinking about you. And the children that's been here with this shining stamp with me, sit in my lap and held them in my arms and told them which way to go. There's one thing I told them all. Don't forget where you come from. Don't forget where you're going. I mean that. Because one day you're going to meet your maker. Every one of you is alive today. And you're going to die one day. It's written in the good book. So help me God. That's one thing you can count on. You're all going to die. We're all going to die. You people that's alive today, think. Use that thing between your eyeballs. Use it before somebody uses it for you. And that's exactly what's going on in this world today. You're not thinking, somebody else is thinking for you. The man that wants to take over on you. Don't you ever forget that. I haven't got much more to say because I'm getting tired. But every one of you, man, woman, and child, every one of you, I've thought about you. If you crossed this planet with me and spoke to me, because I'll love you from now on, so help me God. That's all I got to say. God bless you and take care of yourself and take care of them children and teach them the right way to live and go. Please do that. Amen. And goodbye to all of them. Willie. I'm here, I'm retiring, and that's it. And I will see you all at the Ocean Beach Street. That's all I got to say. Because if I say too much more, I start crying.